Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. Me and my little chihuahua Mookie have just hit 2,000 subscribers. That's her just in the corner there. So today, to celebrate our 2,000th subscriber, we're just gonna do a quick tiki drink. This is called a Saturn. So I got my trusty tiki mug here. I got it full of crushed ice. And we're gonna go 1 1/4 ounces of gin. And it calls for a 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. I'm just gonna give it a kiss with this fresh lemon here. And then a 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup. And a 1/4 ounce of falernum. And a 1/4 ounce of Orgeat. I just made some simple syrup and I steeped almonds in it. And then I got a nice disheveled umbrella with some fruit. And that, my friends, is a Saturn. And again, thank you to all my subscribers out there. We really appreciate your support, and keep the comments coming in. Give us likes. And what's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.